can't do her separate, you know, a woman, you know. Look how you do the woman. Oh, you can't do the woman that. Oh, you can't do the woman, sir. Look how the police really do the woman. After you lick her off her bike. Look how they really do the woman here.
I saw police that. And I him touch her. Him
lick her off her bike. I said this guy in the coming up. Unfair and wicked. Look how you talk the woman. License plate number.
Alright, so me could get this correct right here, so. As far as what me I hear from what this woman and hold the camera say, right? It is a plainclothes police, right? We can see them in a uniform. Them a drive the private vehicle, right? Bunks this bike a lady off of her bike. You know, it's a female riding a bike. And not only that them bunks are off, them throw her up on the ground, right? You can actually see it from the starting of the first part of the video where him throw her to the ground and then handcuff her. Now, the fact that you bunks are off the bike, you know, me don't know who wrong, me don't know who right, but the fact that your bunks are off of the bike, she should be getting some form of a medical attention. You get what I'm saying? Because what if the bone's fractured? What if by handcuffing that lady's arms I should say, right? That's when the bone might just give way and just snap. Twist. Anything can happen. The bone can even splinter in the hand. The marrow can leak. I mean, these are the little things, you know. So what me I say is, me just can't really get it. Say him just do it just like that, you know. In my eyes, me I wonder maybe if this lady wanted, you know. You just don't know what to think. All right, but you don't know. This is not from just me alone to really look at, you know. I want you, the viewers, to tell me what to think. Don't be afraid to show no point of view. All right, and as normal, you don't know. You have to click the subscribe button for know more of these things while go on, you see me? My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.